Good morning, students. So welcome back. So last time we have seen exercise 8.1 and first three examples of exercise 8.2. So let us continue from there. Okay. So 8.2, now example number 6. I am going to solve few of them. So remaining examples you will solve them as homework, that you know that. So sixth one, so square root of 1.96 plus square root of 2.25 plus square root of 2.89 divided by square root of 0.002116. Okay, now these all square roots we know. Okay, so square root of 196 I know. How much it is? Yes, 14 square root is 196. So 1.4, because after decimal point there are two digits in the square number. So in the square root of it there will be only one digit. Right. Then square root of 2.25. So definitely 15 square. Okay. So 1.5 and square root of 2.89. So 17 square is 289. So 1.7. Now the question of, I don't know the square root of 2116. So approximation method. 30 square 900, 40 square 1600, 50 square 2500. So the given number lies between 40 square and 50 square. 2116 is in between them. So let us find the central middle number, 45 square. Okay, so 45 square, how much it is? 5 square is 25. And next number to 4 is 5. 5 4s are 20. So 2025. Now 2116 is bigger. It is bigger than 2025. So definitely the square is from 46 to 50. Okay, now in the units place 6 is there. So when it comes 6, 6 6 are 36 or 4 4s are 16. Now 4 4s are, there is no question of it. So left is 6. So 46 square. Now 46 square, let us check it. We should be sure of it. So 6 square is 36. So 3 carry on. Shortcut method. 6 4s are 24. 24 2s are 48. Right? And 48 plus 3, 51. 5 carry on. 4 square 16. 16 plus 5, 21. So we are right. So it is 46 square. So I will write 46. Now see here. After the decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 digits after decimal point in a square of a number. So in the square root of a number there will be how many digits? Half of it. So 3. So there are only 2 digits. So we have to add one more 0. Which side? To the left hand side. 1, 2, 3. So it will be 0.046. Okay. Now let's add the numerator. Okay. So 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7, 16. Okay. So 1 carry on. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. Let us check it again. 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 4, 16. Okay. 1 carry on. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. Divided by 0.046. Now what you do? Remove the decimal point. Okay. So 46 into. Now here after decimal point there are 3 digits. So that is 1000. Now that 1000 will be multiplied in the numerator divided by 46 into. Now here after decimal point there is only one digit. So your 10 will come to the denominator. So where you are going to write it? Here. Now 46 ones are 46. Okay. 1 0 gets cancelled. So left is 100. So 100 means 10 square. So option number, what is the option? Correct option 10 square. 10 square is first option. This was asked in 2017. Okay. So this is what the example is. Now let's solve 8th example. Now see 8th example of exercise 8.2. Cube root of 1331 plus cube root of 2197 divided by square root of 36. Okay. Now here, so first I should know cube roots. As I said, you should know till 20. Okay. If you have not by heart, then too we can do it. Okay. How to find cube root of 1331? So start pairing in the group of 3. So in this way you can pair them. Now see the unit place of the first 3 groups from the right hand side. What is there? 1. When 1 comes in the units place, 1 into 1, 1 into 1. So 1 into 1 into 1. So answer is 1. Okay. So in the cube root of that you will have 1. And see the next group. What is there? 1. So subtract the nearest cube, or if it is exact cube, subtract it from that. So 1 itself is a cube. So 1 cube minus 1 cube is 0. Okay. So which cube you have subtracted? 1 cube. So answer is 11. So next number is 2197. Again, make groups in the pair of 3. Okay. Now 197. The first group, see the units place, 7. So when you get 7 in the units place, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So cube of 3, you get 7 in the units place. So here when you get 7, when you multiply by 3, so in the units place there will be 3. Do you get it? Cube root of it. Okay. Now then see the next group, 2. So now 2 is not a perfect cube. So subtract the nearest cube from it, which is that 1 cube. So whose cube we are going to subtract? 1's cube we are going to subtract. Okay. And so what I get? 13. Yes. So this is 11 plus 13 upon square root of 36 is 6. 11 plus 13, 24. Okay. Upon 6. So 6 ones are 6 fours are. So answer is 4. Okay. So option number 3rd. Option 3rd is the right answer. Okay. Now let's move to the next exercise. Exercise 8.3. Now exercise 8.3, first one. Which of the following is the cube of the 15th odd number after 36? So first what we have to do, we have to find the 15th odd number after 36. Okay. And then find the cube of that number. Or you can straight away find the cube roots of here. Okay. And then you can tally it. So first thing what we will do, I'll write the options here. Okay. So first option 284496. Second option 262144. Third option 274625. And fourth option 250047. Okay. Now, so first you have to find 15th odd number after 36. 15th odd number after 36. Now first thing, 36, is it an odd number? No, it's not. It is a even number. So first find the first odd number after 36. So first odd number after 36, which is that 37. So 1 we have got. Now left are how many? 14. Okay. So therefore 15th odd number after 36 is equal to 37. That is the first odd number. Plus remaining are how many? 14. And we know that difference between two consecutive odd numbers is of 2. So 14 into 2. Okay. So 37 plus 14 to the 28. Okay. Now 8 plus 7, 15. 1 carry on. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. So 65. So cube root of 65. Now no need to find the cube at all. Why? The reason is simple. In the units place there is 5. So in the cube of that number, in the units place of that cube number, it will be 5. So see the options 1, 2, 3, 4. Only third option is the option where you have got 5 in the units place. And hence option number third is the correct answer. You can check it. How to check it? Find the cube root of that number. 2, 7, 4, 6, 2, 5. Okay. So 2,74,625. Cube root of it. So what you do? Group them in group of 3. So first group from right hand side. Take its units place. What is there? 5. So 5 will come in the cube root. And the first group of 3, first group, that is now the second group here. Okay. 274. So nearest cube to it. 10 cube is 1000. 9 cube is 729. 5 cube is 125. 6 cube is 216. 7 cube is 343. So 6 cube. Do you get it? So 6 cube 216, it can be subtracted. So that is the answer. It is tallied. Do you get it? So that's what the answer is. So let's move to the next example. Now see the third example. Square root of cube root of 1728 plus cube root of 13,824. Okay. Now again, first thing is to find the cube roots. If I don't know, I have told you the method what to do. So 1728, group them in the group of 3. Okay. So first group, what is there in the units place? 8. When it comes, 2 cube is 8. So in the cube root of that, there has to be 2. Okay. Now the next group. Now there is only 1. Subtract the nearest cube or the exact cube. So 1 itself is a cube. Okay. So answer is 12. So cube root of 1728 is 12. Then next number 13,824. Again do the same thing. Group them in the groups of 3. Okay. That form units place. Okay. So 824. In the units place there is 4. When you get 4, 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. So 4 cube is 64. So in the units place of the cube root will be 4. Okay. Then 13. Nearest cube to 13, subtract it. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27. Which should I take? Oh yes, absolutely right. It is 2. 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27. Can I subtract 27? Not at all. So 8. Okay. And hence 2. So cube root of 13,824 is 24. Okay. Now, so our job is done. Most of the part is completed. So 12 plus 24. How much? 36. Square root of 36, 6. And hence option number 1. Option number 1. Okay. So let's move to the next example. Fourth one. For the Ganesh festival, contribution collected per student was 1/25 of the total number of students. The teacher contributed rupees 25. Total amount collected was 250. Find the number of students. So, if I say let the number of students be x, let the number of students be x. Now, amount collected per student. How much it was? 1/25th. 1/25th of total number of students. So 1/25 of x. Total number of students is x. Now of means multiplication. So x upon 25. Okay. Now, so total amount collected will be x into x upon 25. And teacher contributed 25. So x into x upon 25 plus 25. And the total amount collected was 250. Okay, so therefore let us put it in equation. X into x upon 25 plus 25, that is equal to 250. Now bring this 25 to this side. Okay, so you will have x square upon 25, that is equal to 250 minus 25. It becomes subtraction. Okay, so therefore x square upon 25, 250 minus 25, that is 225. Okay, now bring 25 to this side. When it comes to this side, yes, exactly, multiplication. So x square is equal to 225 into 25. Now don't multiply this, straight away find the square root. Opposite of square, square root. So x is equal to square root of 225 into 25. Now square root of 225 is 15 and square root of 25 is 5. So answer is 75. So you got the value of x. So what you are supposed to find? The number of students. So there are how many students? 75. So option 3. Option 3 is the right answer. Okay. Now let's move to the next example. Now see the fifth example. 169 into 81 is equal to 13,689 and square root of 136.89 is equal to how much? That's what we are supposed to find. Now simple thing, my dear friends, what you do? Remove the decimal point. So 1689 upon, after decimal point there are 2 digits. So in the denominator 2 zeros, that is 100. Now see, I can express 13,689 as product of this. Don't keep on finding the square, everything is given here. So it becomes easy. Okay, so that is equal to square root of 169 into 81 upon 100. I believe you understand. Okay, now do I know the square root of 13? Of course I know. Do I know the square root of 81? Yes, I know. And square root of 100? Yes, of course I know it. So square root of 169 is 13. Square root of 81 is 9. And square root of 100 is 10. Now 13 nines are? Yes, 117 upon 10. So 11.7. Decimal point after again 1 digit. Okay. And so option number 3rd, 11.7. Okay. I hope you have understood. So let's move to the next example. So this is the last example. The number is 8th example. 27 into 1728, that is equal to 46,656. And you have to find cube root of 46.656 upon 1.728. Now here, what to do? Simple thing. I know that if 46,656 is divided by 1,728, what I am going to get? 27. if I bring this to this side. So I know the answer 27 is going to be there. So how to get it? Simple thing. Remove the decimal points. See, it becomes easy. Okay. So now what I can do? 46,656 upon 1,728. Okay. Now here, after the decimal point, 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. So in the denominator, how many zeros? 3 zeros. That is 1000. Okay. And here, after decimal point, 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. So in the numerator, how many zeros? 3 zeros. That is 1000. Now what happens? 1000 gets cancelled. Now 46,656 divided by 1728. So I have told first only. I should get 27. So cube root of 27. Cube root of 27 is 3. Okay. And so option number 4. So my dear students, topic squares and square roots is completed here, and try to solve the remaining examples of all the exercise 8.1, 8.2 and 8.3 as homework. And if there are any difficulties, you are most welcome. So let us stop here today, and we'll meet in our next period. Till then, goodbye. Thanks a lot.